Hi, I'm Soren, and this is Clara, and today we're going to talk to you about cookies. Clara, what's your favorite type of cookie?
Chocolate chip.
Well, that's yummy. Have you ever heard of an internet cookie?
No.
Well, internet cookies are not nearly as yummy as chocolate chip cookies. An internet cookie is a string of text that a web server stores in your browser. The next time you visit that web server, your browser will send a copy of that text back to it. On the internet, cookies are almost always used to track you and invade your privacy. But there is one valid use for a cookie, and that is to keep you securely logged into a website as you move from page to page. This is an example of what such a cookie looks like. Usually, cookies are just long strings of text that look random that only mean things to the server that sent it to you. In Privacy Browser Android, cookies are disabled by default. On this web page, which is redmine.stoutner.com, I am trying to log in. Redmine is the website used to submit bug reports and feature requests for Privacy Browser. In the options menu, I can see that cookies are currently disabled, so logging in won't work. But if I enable cookies, then the privacy shield will turn yellow, and now I can log into the website. By default in Privacy Browser, all cookies are deleted every time the last tab is closed or clear and exit is run from the navigation menu. Under the guide, there's a tab called Local Storage, which has more information about cookies. Cookies can also be automatically enabled and disabled using domain settings, which is discussed in another video. What do you think of all that, Clara?
That doesn't sound really good. But I brought you these cookies.
Oh, these are much better cookies.
Yeah.
Mm.